In this video, I will show you how to transfer your GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare. So to do this, first just open up Cloudflare and sign into your account. Now from there you will get to your account home, and here you just want to go into domains and click on onboard a domain. Now here you need to enter the domain name that you have on GoDaddy. So if you don't know what it is, just open up GoDaddy, go to your domain, and then there you'll be able to find it and copy it. So just paste that in here and then select quick scan for DNS records. This is the easiest way to do this. Now here you can also control how AI crawlers access your site. So you can also do this later, but just enter whatever you want and click continue. Now from there you can select a plan in case you're not yet paying. Now what you can also do is just get started for free, and in this plan you can already connect your domain. So I'll just go on with the free plan. Then it will scan for your DNS records and find all of the records you have in your GoDaddy domain. So from here you will see all of your DNS records. So just make sure that all of this matches what you have here inside of GoDaddy, and then click continue to activation. Now from there's a few more steps. So first they have log in to your DNS provider, and you can see the one you have right here. For me it's GoDaddy. Then make sure that DNS SEC is off. So to do that, again go to DNS and go to DNS SEC right here. Then here, if it is currently turned off, it will say enable. Just make sure that it is turned off. Then go back here to Cloudflare, and it says replace your current name servers with Cloudflare name servers. So what we can do first is find the name server section. To do that, just go to name servers under DNS and click change name server. Now here we can add our own by clicking I use my own name servers, and then we have two of them. So first just copy the one at the top, paste that in name server 1. Then get the second one and paste it in name server 2. Then click save, and then you have updated your name servers. Now click on continue, and now you can see your request is being processed. Now this can take up to 24 hours, so this often won't work instantly, but just go back to Cloudflare and click continue. So now we have done the last step, but now it loops back to this page. But if we scroll down here, you can see registrars take up to 24 hours to process name servers changes, quicker in most cases. They will email you when your domain is active on Cloudflare. So to check, you can just go here to the home page, click domains, and once it says valid name servers or connected, something like that, then it will have worked. And again, this can take up to 24 hours, but if you follow these steps I showed you, then you did it correctly. So now you know how to transfer your GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.